Welcome back, rail enthusiasts and adventure seekers. Today, we're embarking on an extraordinary journey through the heart of Africa aboard the luxurious Rovos Rail's Pride of Africa. But hold on tight, because we're not just taking you on a scenic ride. We're about to uncover some of the most fascinating and unknown facts about this iconic train. The Pride of Africa, often dubbed the most luxurious train in the world, is a marvel that's been rolling through Africa's landscapes for over 3 decades. Before we delve into the train itself, let's talk history. Rovos Rail was founded in 1989 by Rohan Voss, a man with an insatiable passion for trains. Did you know that the Pride of Africa's locomotives are meticulously maintained vintage models? They're lovingly restored to their former glory and pack quite the punch, pulling the train through some of the most challenging terrains on the continent. When it comes to luxury, the Pride of Africa sets the gold standard. Each suite is a private oasis of comfort, elegantly designed with vintage décor, and equipped with modern amenities like en-suite bathrooms and air conditioning. One of the hidden gems of this train journey is the exquisite dining experience. The onboard chefs whip up culinary masterpieces using fresh, locally sourced ingredients. While the iconic Cape Town to Dar es Salaam route is famous, did you know that the Pride of Africa offers a variety of captivating itineraries? From the Victoria Falls to Namibia's deserts, there's an adventure waiting for every traveler. The dedicated staff is known for going above and beyond to ensure every guest feels like royalty. It's this attention to detail that keeps passengers coming back year after year. Here's an incredible fact. Rovos Rail is committed to environmental sustainability. They actively support various conservation projects and strive to minimize their carbon footprint, making this journey not just luxurious but eco-conscious. One of the remarkable aspects of traveling on the Pride of Africa is the spaciousness. Unlike cramped airline seats, each suite on the train provides ample room to move about comfortably. You can even enjoy the scenic views from your own personal lounge area. Picture yourself in the open-air observation car, a feature exclusive to Rovos Rail. For bookworms and history buffs, there's a hidden gem on board, the train's very own library. It's stocked with a vast collection of literature, including rare and vintage books, providing the perfect retreat for those who crave intellectual stimulation. While traveling on the Pride of Africa, passengers are encouraged to embrace the nostalgia of train travel. It's an opportunity to relive the golden age of rail. Art lovers will appreciate the train's unique feature: it serves as a mobile art gallery. The carriages are adorned with beautiful paintings and sculptures, adding an artistic dimension to your journey. Here's an exciting tidbit. Rovos Rail occasionally offers themed journeys. From golfing adventures to epic safaris, these themed trips allow passengers to combine their interests with the luxury of train travel for a truly unique experience. One of the highlights of a Rovos Rail journey is the off-train excursions. Passengers have the chance to explore some of Africa's most iconic destinations, including game reserves, historical sites, and cultural experiences. The ultimate indulgence aboard the Pride of Africa is the Presidential Suite. This luxurious haven features a king-size bed, private lounge, and a full-sized bathtub. It's a true masterpiece of elegance and comfort. Beyond the stunning surroundings and lavish accommodations, it's the warmth and hospitality of the Rovos Rail crew that leave an indelible mark on passengers. They create an atmosphere that's as welcoming as it is luxurious. As Rovos Rail continues to evolve, there are exciting plans for the future, including new routes and destinations. The adventure on this iconic train is far from over, and there are more stories to be written on its tracks. Rovos Rail offers a range of iconic routes, but one that stands out is the golf safari. This unique journey combines the luxury of the train with rounds of golf at some of Africa's most picturesque courses, creating an unforgettable experience for golf enthusiasts. Rovos Rail also operates the Shangololo Express, a sister train that explores southern Africa in depth. It's a fantastic option for travelers who want to delve into the rich cultures and diverse landscapes of the region. While the Pride of Africa primarily uses diesel locomotives, Rovos Rail has a special place in its heart for steam engines. Occasionally, they offer steam safaris, allowing passengers to experience the romance of steam locomotion. Did you know that you can charter the entire train for special occasions or private events? It's a dream come true for those seeking a one-of-a-kind celebration or corporate retreat amidst Africa's stunning scenery. To keep passengers informed and entertained, Rovos Rail publishes a quarterly magazine. It's filled with captivating stories, travel tips, and insights into the world of luxury train travel. For the train enthusiasts out there, Rovos Rail occasionally hosts workshops where you can get hands-on experience with steam locomotives. It's a rare opportunity to learn from experts and stoke the fires of your passion. If you're looking for the ultimate indulgence, there's the Royal Suite, a haven of luxury fit for a king. With its own private lounge, full-sized bathtub, and the most spacious accommodations, it's the epitome of opulence. Beyond its commitment to education, Rovos Rail also operates the Rovos Foundation, dedicated to various philanthropic initiatives, including supporting local communities and wildlife conservation efforts. While the train itself is a star, it's the landscapes and wildlife outside that truly shine. The Pride of Africa takes passengers on a journey through Africa's most awe-inspiring natural wonders, showcasing the continent's remarkable beauty. Rovos Rail has made appearances in several films and television shows, further cementing its status as a symbol of luxury and adventure. Last but not least, the Pride of Africa is a symbol of romance. Many couples have celebrated their weddings and anniversaries on board, making it a cherished destination for those seeking love and adventure. Rovos Rail offers customization options for special occasions like anniversaries, birthdays, and even proposals. Imagine popping the question in the midst of a breathtaking African landscape from the train's observation car. One of the most fascinating aspects of the Pride of Africa is its diverse range of passengers. Travelers from all over the world come together, forming a unique and enriching cultural exchange during the journey. To enhance the journey's educational value, Rovos Rail often invites guest lecturers on board. These experts share insights into African history, wildlife, and culture, adding an enriching layer to the travel experience. During certain routes, the train stops are meticulously planned to coincide with the best times for wildlife viewing. Passengers can enjoy a mobile safari experience, spotting magnificent animals from the comfort of their suites or observation car. Rovos Rail is committed to preserving African heritage. The train's interior decorations feature artwork, sculptures, and artifacts crafted by local artisans, providing a platform for showcasing African talent. The journey often begins and ends at the Rovos Rail Station in Pretoria, South Africa. This station, a historical treasure in itself, exudes colonial charm, offering passengers a glimpse into the past before their adventure even starts. For passengers looking to take home a piece of their Rovos Rail experience, there's the onboard gift shop. It offers an array of souvenirs, from branded merchandise to locally crafted goods. While the train offers modern amenities, Rovos Rail encourages passengers to disconnect from the digital world and immerse themselves in the journey. It's a rare opportunity to enjoy the simple pleasure of being present in the moment. Whether it's a hot air balloon ride over the African savannah or a guided bushwalk, they make sure your safari dreams come true. Rovos Rail maintains a heritage collection of classic carriages, including some dating back to the early 1900s. These carriages are meticulously preserved and occasionally brought back into service for special journeys, giving passengers a taste of history. Rovos Rail's original route from Pretoria to Kimberley is known as the Diamond Route. This historical journey retraces the steps of early diamond prospectors who traveled in much less luxurious conditions during the diamond rush. Aboard the Pride of Africa, you'll be serenaded by a symphony of train sounds, the rhythmic chug of the locomotive, the gentle sway of the carriages, and the clickety-clack of the tracks. Passengers' preferences are noted, and the staff goes the extra mile to make each traveler feel like an honored guest. In addition to providing passengers with unforgettable wildlife experiences, Rovos Rail actively contributes to conservation efforts in Africa. The Pride of Africa has witnessed pivotal moments in African history, and its journey often traverses regions with rich historical significance. Rovos Rail's founder, Rohan Voss, once said, "I want to put the romance and nostalgia back into train travel." The company's unwavering commitment to luxury and heritage ensures that this romance lives on. The dining cars on the train are adorned with stunning decor reminiscent of a bygone era. The elegant table settings, polished wood, and brass accents create an ambiance that transports passengers to a time of grandeur. Rovos Rail's journeys cross multiple countries, making it a unique way to explore the diverse landscapes and cultures of Africa. It's a remarkable opportunity to witness the continent's rich tapestry unfold before your eyes. One of the unforgettable moments on the Pride of Africa is witnessing the breathtaking African sunsets from the train's panoramic windows. The ever-changing hues of the sky create a mesmerizing visual feast. For those who want an even more immersive experience, some carriages offer windows that can be opened. You can feel the African breeze and hear the sounds of the wilderness as you travel. The observation car isn't just for daytime views, it's also a stargazing platform at night. Away from city lights, passengers have an unrivaled opportunity to marvel at the African night sky. Rovos Rail journeys are often cherished as family traditions. Passengers from different generations come together, creating lifelong memories and strengthening family bonds against the backdrop of Africa. The train features a heritage gallery displaying historical artifacts and photographs, offering passengers a captivating glimpse into the evolution of rail travel and the pride of Africa's own storied history. A portion of every ticket sold goes towards this noble cause, making your journey even more meaningful. And there you have it, folks. The Pride of Africa isn't just a train, it's a testament to luxury, history, and conservation. If you ever get the chance, don't miss the opportunity to embark on this unforgettable adventure. We hope you've enjoyed this journey, and if you did, please show us some love by liking, subscribing, and hitting that notification bell. Thank you for joining us today as we uncovered these unknown facts about Rovos Rail's Pride of Africa. Until next time, happy railroading!